I was researching the best-selling matcha brands on Amazon and Etsy when I noticed something strange. Brands selling thousands of units every month are still using nothing more than static product photos and simple carousel images. And that's when I realized, if everyone is competing with photos, what happens when your product actually comes to life? Imagine shoppers seeing someone hold the product, open it, prepare it, drink it, all before they even leave the listing or your social media ad. That isn't a $20,000 production anymore. It's AI.
I've been replacing my second coffee with Mizu lately. It's ceremonial grade matcha and the energy feels so much smoother without the afternoon crush. I honestly love how clean and premium the packaging looks, and it's become part of my morning routine. If you're looking for a better way to start your day, you should definitely give Mizu a try.
So in this video, I'm going to build an entire premium brand from absolute scratch, starting with the logo, brand identity, packaging, product photography, Instagram carousels, luxury commercials, and realistic AI UGC that looks like it came from a real creator. I've simplified the entire workflow and put every prompt, from logo design to AI UGC creation, into a complete Google Doc that you can copy, customize, and use for your own brand. Let's see if AI can build a brand that actually looks ready to compete with million-dollar companies. Every premium brand starts with a strong identity. So instead of asking AI to just make a logo, I'm giving it the exact kind of creative brief a professional branding agency would receive. Inside Lovart, I'll open the branding category, select logo design, and paste in a detailed brief. Brand positioning, target audience, visual style, color system, typography, even the emotions the design should communicate. But here's what surprised me. Lovart doesn't immediately generate images. It first thinks like a creative director. It analyzes the market, studies premium competitors like Aesop, AG1, and Muji, identifies a unique brand position, and then recommends 3 completely different logo systems. Instead of randomly generating designs, I'm choosing the hybrid direction because it combines a memorable icon with a clean word mark, giving the brand enough flexibility to work across packaging, websites, social media, even mobile apps. A few seconds later, Lovart generates 3 complete logo systems. I ended up choosing the first one because the Enso-inspired mark subtly represents water, balance, and the ritual of preparing matcha, while the clean typography keeps the entire identity modern, timeless, and premium. But instead of accepting the first result, I wanted to see if Lovart could refine it, like a professional branding agency would. So I'm selecting the logo and asking it to improve the spacing, proportions, optical alignment, and overall premium feel, without changing the core identity. The goal isn't a completely new logo. It's taking a good design and making it production ready. Instead of instantly generating another image, Lovart first critiques its own work. It points out issues like visual balance, inconsistent spacing, typography, and scalability, then builds a refinement strategy before making any changes. That's surprisingly close to how experienced brand designers review a logo before it's finalized. A few seconds later, it delivers a much cleaner logo system, improved proportions, multiple size variations, monochrome versions, and dark mode applications, making it ready for everything from packaging and websites to Amazon listings and mobile app icons. Now that the logo is finalized, there's one thing most AI branding tools completely ignore: typography. So instead of searching through thousands of fonts online, Lovart can actually generate a custom typeface based on your brand identity. To do that, I simply open the font generator, choose Select from Canvas, and use the logo we just created as the visual reference. Then I describe the style I want: premium, minimal, editorial, inspired by brands like Apple, Muji, and Aesop. Rather than copying an existing font, Lovart analyzes the visual language of the logo, its spacing, proportions, and overall aesthetic to create a typeface that naturally fits the brand. After a couple of minutes, the font is ready. I can preview it immediately, drag it straight onto the canvas, and every headline, tagline, and piece of marketing material now shares the exact same visual identity. It's a small step, but this is what separates something that looks AI-generated from something that actually feels like a premium global brand. At this point, we have a refined logo and a custom typeface. But if you handed those files to a designer tomorrow, they'd still ask the same question: where's the brand guide? A real brand isn't just a logo. It's a complete design system that tells everyone exactly how that logo should be used across every platform. So instead of creating each asset one by one, I'm using Lovart's logo and branding skill to generate an entire brand identity system from a single prompt. I'm asking it to build everything a professional branding agency would normally deliver: logo variations, color palette, typography hierarchy, spacing rules, safe areas, graphic elements, textures, mockups, and a presentation-ready brand board. But before generating anything, Lovart actually plans the structure of the entire system. It decides how the logo should scale, style, defines the color hierarchy, creates usage guidelines, and even thinks about how the brand will appear across packaging, digital products, websites, and print. A few moments later, everything comes together into one polished presentation. Instead of receiving a folder full of random assets, you get a complete visual identity that looks like it came from a premium branding agency. And this is where things become really powerful. From this point forward, every package, social post, advertisement, website, and product image can follow the exact same design language without starting from scratch. Now that the brand identity system is finished, the next step is making it reusable. Instead of manually uploading the logo, colors, fonts, and brand guidelines every time I start a new project, Lovart lets me turn everything into a brand kit. I simply open the brand kit section, create a new kit, and upload the complete brand board we just generated. Within a few seconds, Lovart automatically analyzes the entire presentation and extracts the important brand assets. It recognizes the logo variations, identifies the color palette, imports the typography, understands the brand guidelines, and even detects supporting assets like product mockups and photography. If you've created a custom font, you can also add it directly into the brand kit. That means every future project uses the exact same typography, instead of relying on generic fonts. Once everything is imported, the brand kit becomes the foundation for every design you create. Now, whenever I start a new project, Lovart already knows my brand. The colors, fonts, logos, spacing, and design rules are all applied automatically. So every package, social post, advertisement, website, and product image stays perfectly consistent without any extra setup. To verify everything imported correctly, I simply ask Lovart what's inside the brand kit. I only describe the product and the type of packaging I want. Within seconds, Lovart generates a premium packaging concept that automatically follows our brand kit. From the deep forest green color palette and embossed logo to the editorial typography and gold foil accents, the result looks production ready and can be used for Amazon listings, Shopify stores, premium retail shelves, and marketing campaigns, all while keeping the brand perfectly consistent. Once the packaging is ready, Lovart also lets you refine it without leaving the canvas. For example, I can generate multiple camera angles from the same product image. By simply adjusting the camera controls, Lovart creates new perspectives while keeping the packaging, lighting, and branding perfectly consistent. And if I need to make small changes, I don't have to regenerate the entire image. I can edit the text directly on the packaging, update the product weight, change the font, or modify individual elements with just a few clicks. These built-in editing tools make it incredibly fast to create different product variations and marketing assets, all from a single design. Now let's create some branded social media content. Since my brand kit is already connected, Lovart already understands my logo, my colors, my typography, and my overall design style. I simply ask it to create an 8-slide Instagram carousel, select the Instagram post skill, and enter my topic. That's it. But instead of jumping straight into designing, Lovart first plans the entire content structure. It decides the slide sequence, writes the copy, and organizes the story, from the opening hook and educational points to product highlights and the final call to action. A few moments later, the complete carousel is ready. Every slide automatically follows the brand kit we created earlier, using the same logo, the same color palette, the same typography, premium packaging, and visual language. And here's the best part. I didn't have to design each slide individually. Lovart keeps everything visually consistent while creating content that looks like it came from a professional social media design team. Whether you're creating educational posts, product launches, or promotional campaigns, you can generate an entire branded carousel in just a few clicks, ready to publish across your social channels. Now let's turn this product image into a cinematic commercial. Instead of starting from scratch, I can use the packaging we've already designed directly from the canvas. I open the video generator, select the image as my reference, choose the Seedance 2.0 model, and set the output to an 8-second video in 16:9 at 720p quality. Then I describe the scene with a simple prompt. Create a luxury product commercial with floating matcha powder, a ceramic bowl, a bamboo whisk, slow motion pouring, premium studio lighting, elegant camera movement, and the look of a global wellness brand. Once I hit generate, Lovart transforms the static product image into a polished product advertisement. Instead of just animating the can, it creates realistic motion, cinematic lighting, and smooth camera movement that make the product feel like it's part of a high-end commercial. The final result is an ad-ready product video that would normally require a professional studio, motion designers, and video editors. But here, it's generated from a single prompt in just a few minutes. Product Product commercials are great, but today, brands also need authentic creator content. With Lovart, I can generate realistic UGC videos using the same product we designed earlier. I simply open the video generator, select my packaging image directly from the canvas, switch the format to a vertical 9:16 video, and set the output to 10 seconds. Then I describe the entire scene in one prompt. In this example, I asked Lovart to create a natural selfie-style video featuring a female entrepreneur introducing the product inside a bright, modern apartment, holding the Mizu matcha, preparing it, taking a sip, and sharing an honest recommendation that feels like a real Instagram reel, instead of a scripted advertisement. Once I hit generate,
I've been replacing my second coffee with Mizu lately. It's ceremonial grade matcha, and the energy feels so much smoother without the afternoon crush. I honestly love how clean and premium the packaging looks, and it's become part of my morning routine. If you're looking for a better way to start your day, you should definitely give Mizu a try.
Lovart creates a complete UGC-style video with realistic camera movement, natural facial expressions, believable dialogue delivery, and authentic product interaction. The final result looks like genuine creator content that's ready to publish on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or any short-form platform without hiring actors, renting a studio, or filming anything yourself. If you're building a brand, stop wasting weeks on design. Try Lovart using my link below and let me know what you'll create first.